Greetings everyone, my name's Clive Tilsley. I'm here with the inimitable Mr. Andy Gray. Good to have you with us today. It's too early in the season to be thinking of anything other than getting points on the board and seeing where they take you, but you don't want to be playing catch-up later on if you can help it.
No, you want to come out the traps and you want to be flying, you want to hit the ground running at the beginning of the season.
Nothing comes of it. Brito. Apia. Space for the cross. Into the box. And that's into the hands of the goalkeeper. Just thrown out. He's one of those defenders who loves to get his foot in. Stanley tries a shot, high, wide and not very handsome. Betty. Stanley. What will he make of this? And cleared out of the box. He's taken the defender on. Now, can he pick someone out? That'll be nothing more than a goal kick. Lugano. Alex. They do deal well with those situations, don't they? Fine header. Half time is just around the corner now, and we are yet to see a goal in this game. Does see those situations developing, doesn't he? Zelenka. He's going to try his luck. The shot blocked. Now here comes the corner. Into the area.
That's a brilliant defensive header.
I've seen him score from there before.
Well, it's a fabulous opportunity, that I will say. Well, not the easiest of chances, but the best. I tell you what the best do. The best take advantage of those chances. He didn't.
The pattern of this game was established in the first 45 minutes. Will we see it change in this second half? Stanley. Can he finish? He's in the back of the net! They have broken the deadlock!
Well, you can never rule this guy out. He just gets his reward for persevering and persevering. And his finish was world class.
They've got a lead in the game now, something to build on. Looking to create something. Made a good tackle there. Stanley. He's going for goal. It's in!
Well, this player's in really good form. 5 goals already this season.
It's his second goal of the game. You'd think they know what to expect from him by now. They just feel a bit more comfortable now. It's 2-0. Nodded on. Brito. Keshman. Nice header. Zelenka. Everybody back helping. Stanley. Keshman. Here's a chance. They've done it!
This is what you call a lead. A real comfortable lead. If you're a coach, sit back and enjoy.
Well, that's 3 times he's gone for goal, and 3 times he's found the goal. Amazing. Oh, he thought he'd have a go. That's embarrassingly high. Decent header. Zelenka. Betty. Got a little lucky with the pass. Sanley. Thought he'd have a go from way out. The ball was on him very, very quickly. It's a sharp chance, no more than that. Easy to get wrong.
Well, the least said about that attempt, the better, I think.
That's it. A win is a win. No matter how or by how many. This is a...
You were one step behind. Instead of books on students' desks.